Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect extra switch controller, easy method. Hold the sync button on the replacement controller until the LEDs flash, then open controllers and choose Change Grip/Order on your console. Wait for the indicator to assign a player number and test a few buttons to confirm responsiveness. If pairing fails, power cycle the console and retry the same steps calmly, and keep controllers close to the console during setup. If pairing struggles, restart the console and try again after a brief pause to clear temporary glitches. Verify the extra controller has sufficient battery, because low power often prevents successful connection. Reduce interference by moving phones, routers, or other controllers away from the console while pairing. Try holding the sync button a bit longer if LEDs do not blink, and always test button inputs after pairing to ensure full functionality and correct player assignment. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more quick tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and hands-free control while you game. It pairs nicely with controllers for voice commands or background music during setup, and it's a neat little upgrade for any gaming nook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For stubborn setups, consider a wired connection using a USB adapter to confirm the controller works before wireless pairing. Keep your console firmware updated so pairing protocols remain compatible and smoother overall. If the controller acts erratically, perform a factory reset sequence as specified by the manufacturer to clear old pairings. Always retest in a calm area free of wireless noise, and pair one controller at a time to avoid confusion or incorrect player assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.